Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial info channel, and in this video we would like to show the top 5 customizations and top 5 things to do to customize your Google Pixel 7/Google Pixel 7 Pro smartphones. So right off the bat, if you got your new device ready, we highly recommend that you go for the Settings app, then enter the Wallpapers and Style category, and in here you can change the wallpapers. If you would like to, you can also set the custom ones. So let me find my download. So let's say I'll go with this picture, set the wallpaper to be solely for the home screen or lock screen, or even both, which I'll do myself. So after you have set up the custom image as your lock screen picture, you can also change the color scheme of your interface over here. You can make it, you can choose the colors from the automatically picked palettes from your wallpapers, or just set up some basic colors that you'd like to go with. As you can see, so me myself, I'll probably set the system to be, or should I rather say to look something like this, I guess. Like it. And in here you can also turn on the themed icons if you want to, but I prefer to go with the ones that are default, as well as like change the dark theme or the app grid for the home screen apps. I think the most convenient one is 4x4, so I'll go with it, then tap on apply, and well, that's a good place to start, I guess. The second way to customize your phone once it is new is to, and not even once it is new, at all times basically, is by changing the design and changing the appearance of your keyboard. So in order to do that, you gotta launch Settings once again, then enter the System category, then go for the Languages and Input section. In here, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, or if you have any other keyboard installed, just go for the respective keyboard app. Go once at the Gboard settings page, go for the theme field over here. You can you can change the background colors, the background image from the list of default images, or go for the gradient, dark gradients. What I want to show you guys is how you can set the custom image as your keyboard background. It is a very easy thing to do. Just at the top of the page, go for the My Themes, tap on this plus sign. Prior to that, just make sure to get the picture that you would like to use as your background. I'll go with this one, for example. Then choose what particular area of the photo or image you would like to use as your keyboard background. I'll go with this part, let's say this one. Click on next, then adjust the brightness, how bright or how visible will it be. You can dim it or make it very bright, which I'll do myself in order for the picture to be very visually visible. Then tap on done. Choose whether you would like to have the key borders. Make some final adjustments and tap on apply, and now it is not only installed as your keyboard theme, but also saved as the custom one. So you can always, let's say, pick this one and then return to the custom theme that we have just made. And once we launch the keyboard, as you can see, it looks exactly like so. The next way how you can customize your Pixel experience is by going into the display category of settings and changing the size of interface elements and text. So in here, go for the display size and text, then change the font size if you'd like, and the display element size. So you can make them smaller, bigger, whatever you want to roll with. Me, I'll leave it at the default values, since I like it more this way. You can also make the text bold and increase its contrast as well by switching this little toggles over here. Alrighty, moving on to the next way to customize your Well, user experience is by being able to switch the system navigation type. Currently it is set at gestures navigation, but you can at all times change it to the 3 digital buttons, which is more classic way of navigating through your phone. So open the system category, then go for the gestures, system navigation here. So that's how the 3-button navigation look like. The middle button, the circle used to get back to the home screen, the right square to open the list of active apps or the list of recent apps, and this little arrow or triangle you can use for getting back. Me, I'm more of a gesture navigation type guy, but if you prefer to use the buttons, just go for it. So let me just quickly return the system navigation type to gesture. And moving on to the 5th way, the final one for this video. It is now tied not to like visuals, but more to the sound. So we highly recommend, not really highly recommend, we just kind of want to show how you can change the ringtone sound. So the sound of the incoming call that you hear each time somebody dials you. So in order to do that, open the sound and vibration category over here, go for the phone ringtone. In here you can choose from the very enormously big library of default sounds. It's probably up to, I don't know how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's about, yeah, it's over 100 default sounds that you can choose from various categories. Or you can also always go for the custom sounds by opening the My Sounds folder over here. Then add some sound that you would like to use, let's say this one, and set it. And after that, just save the changes, and well, from now on, the ringtone or the sound that you have just picked will be used as your ringtone sound. A very nice thing to have if you like some song and you would like to hear it each time you are getting called. Just go for it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them below in the comment section. If you have any other cool suggestions on how to customize your Google Pixel, do not hesitate to leave those comments as well. So thank you so much for watching once again, and bye-bye.